This is the video answer for exercise 2 of Project Centurion. So in this exercise, we are doing the second part of the integration for Active Directory. In part 1, you added the domain controller into the SEPM so that we have now a partnership and a replication happening. And in this part, we are going to import the organizational unit so that we get our client automatically sorted. As you've seen in Active Directory on part 1, client had dispatched across multiple cities. We're going to select here the group Centurion. We're going to click Import Organizational Unit or Container. Select the domain, so we recognize here our domain controller. We have the tree structure as we browsed it earlier on in exercise 1. And I'm just highlighting R&D, click OK. And then I can see here directly that I have my cities. I can see the clients, but they're showing offline. Okay. If I'm going to default group, I see the clients are also gone, except the Linux one. So Linux is not actually integrated into Active Directory, so this is normal. But my clients were actually connected and reporting. So they are showing offline here, and that is actually the second part of this exercise to actually get those clients back online. So when we're doing this, we're just doing an import and we're waiting for a heartbeat so that the client are now registering, retrieving the new group structure and the new place where they should get their policy from. As initially on the default group we had a half-an-hour heartbeat, it means that the client would take quite a long time before they actually realize that now they're actually sorted in a different group structure. So what we're going to do now is go to each of the clients and launch a heartbeat manually so that the clients are registering. So this is WCWS01 client. I launched the update and just be careful here for the name of the group. So once the update is complete, you will see that you have the proper path here with the Centurion, R&D, London and Dev for this client. So this answers individually where each client is actually located and attached to. So you still see offline, so you might have to wait for 1 or 2 more heartbeats, a few more minutes before the client showing online here. So I'm just going to skip ahead and do the same steps for my other 2 clients. So a few minutes passed and now I'm back on this management server. And we can see that the client are now reporting online. So for London, that's 01. For Munich, that's 02. And here for Sofia, it is 03. So the heartbeat hasn't happened yet on this client, so it's about to come online. I click refresh, and now we can see the client. So this concludes exercise 2 of Project Centurion.